Hello everyone, my name is Val and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you a cool game that I use either at the beginning of the class to review previously taught vocabulary or at the end of the class to recap newly taught vocabulary. It works either way perfectly, but I prefer to use it as a recap activity.
This game is called Give Me a Clue Please, and here's how you play it. Invite two students from each team. Show the first clue. If they're ready to guess, they must say, "I want to take a guess." If they are not ready to guess, they must say, "Give me a clue please." If their guess is correct, their team collects the points. If it is incorrect, the student who took a guess must go back to their seat. I want to show you very quickly how to use this PowerPoint game template. First of all, decide how many clues you want to use. 5, 4, or 3. Leave the slides you need, delete unnecessary slides. You can duplicate for more. Here's how. Click on the slide you want to duplicate, right-click, and choose Duplicate Slide. Boom, you have the same slide. Write your text in clue boxes, here. In the slideshow mode, click the boxes for clues, here, here, and here. Also, you can click See the Answer if the students guess correctly. This will reveal the answer. Here we go. Boom. Here's how you can insert an image onto the slide. Click Insert, Pictures, this device, and then this is where you save the picture you want to insert. You choose it, Insert. You can resize it a little bit so it fits perfectly onto your slide. Then right-click and choose Send to Back. Boom, here we go. Then when you go to the slideshow mode, when you click on See the Answer, you will see the answer.
Now, let me give you an example.
Hello boys and girls, let's play Give Me a Clue Please. You all know the rules, so let's get started. Here's your first clue. I am a mammal. Give me a clue please. Yes, I'd like to see the next clue. Here it is. I have 4 legs and a tail. I am not ready to guess. Give me a clue please. What he said. The next clue is coming up. I live in Africa. I want to take a guess. I want to take a guess. I want to take a guess. Yes, what is it? It is a giraffe. No, I'm sorry. Please go back to your seat. Give me a clue, please. Here's clue number 4, for 2 points. I look like a horse, but I am not a horse. I want to take a guess. I know what it is. Yes, please. A zebra, a zebra. It is a zebra, a zebra, a zebra. It is a zebra. Yes, you are right. It's a zebra. Well done. Slow and steady wins the race.
And this is how you do it. This PPT game template is available in my store on Teachers Pay Teachers. So if you think it will be helpful in your class, please follow the link above to buy it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And please, please, please smash the bell icon to turn the notifications on. This way, you will never miss a single upload and helping grow my channel. Also, a big shout out to my patrons, Martina and Peter, who shine bright like two diamonds in the sky. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day, and remember what Walt Whitman said. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Thank you, guys.